Guys, can you hear me? Can you see me? Hi, Vacha Party. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Say yes in the live chat section if you can. Hi, Ravi Rajput. Hi, Ashutosh Malik. Hi, Samriddhi. Hi, Bhavna Dani. Hi, Akash. Hi, Tanimapati. Hi, Siddharth. Hi, Rahul Kumar. Okay, so many of you are already here. So should we begin, guys? Should we begin? Give me a big fat thumbs up in the comment section. Hi, Nishi. Thank you, Akash, for telling me that I am visible and audible. Thank you so much. I needed that. Yes. Hi, Rahul Kumar. Hi, Shripad. Hi, Siddharth. Hi, beautiful people. Okay, so I am Bhavana Bisht. Yes, and today we will be continuing tissues part 2, right? Yes, so I'm Bhavana Bisht, and this is a little about me. I've been teaching for the last 2.5 years. Yes, I've done my master's in botany, and I know Hindi, English, and Marathi. And let me tell you, in my free time, I read a lot. Yes, that's right. So before we begin, let's do a little bit of promotion because you need to know what Unacademy is and what it is doing for your future. An amazing one at that. Okay, hi Vivek, hi Shalini, hi Abhishek, hi guys, hi everybody. So I am an educator on Unacademy Plus, right? So what is different? What is amazing there are live classes, weekly quizzes, yes, and then we have doubt solving live classes. Then we have practice sessions and test series. Everything at your fingertips. Absolutely, guys. These are the ongoing batches, upcoming batches. But man, what is new? Guys, you don't have any language barrier. That is, it is available both in Hindi and in English, along with a topper test series just to make you the best out there. This is a cute little video. Enjoy. Yes, Abhishek, yes, you are right. सही पकड़े हैं. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now if you are like, yes, I'm interested, I want to join, how do you do that? You look at the subscription plan, yes, and I would suggest go for 12, 24, or 36. Man, so many months. What will we do? Guys, we have 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th all together. And when you look at the rates, it is just 833 to 1000 rupees per month. That is the cheapest out there. Yes, with the best quality education you can receive. Then how to get the subscription, ma'am? Download the Unacademy app, select your goal. If you're taking 4 years, then say K-12. Otherwise, you can put your goal as CBSE class 9th, select plus, get subscription, whatever plan you wish for. And if you like me, you can put my referral code, that is BB60, and you will get a whooping 10% off. And you are welcome to Unacademy Plus, babies. Absolutely correct. Okay? Yes. And there's another good news. Unacademy has started CBSE class 6th, 7th, and 8th. Absolutely correct for maths, science, and SST syllabus. So we are starting a special batch called as Eureka batch, which starts on 6th of October. So if you have any siblings, any bajuwalas, any neighbors, you can inform them. And they also have an opportunity to learn at Unacademy. Absolutely correct, guys. So let's move on. So today we'll be doing the second part of the chapter, tissues that basically involves all of our plant is done already. Animal tissues, okay? Yes, and today we'll be having a Mentee quiz. Today we'll be having a Mentee quiz with the code of 8311831. I hope it is clear to everybody. 8311831. Just to make you. Okay, take down the 8311831. So we are beginning with today's chapter and today's session, and that is animal tissues. That is right. Now, if you ever look at yourself, do you ever think, oh my god, how can I be just made up of one tissue? Somewhere I have hair, somewhere the skin is so smooth. When I look inside my body, when I look inside my mouth, it is so red. Like, and my tongue, it is so different. How can I be made of only one tissues, right? Yes, that is why we have different types. We have classified the animal tissues in various types, and they are epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, and nervous tissue. Understood? Yes, everyone does their job to pitch perfection and we get 100% efficiency, you guys. Yes, Suman Khandelwal will have the quiz around 1:30 to 1:45k. Beach will start the quiz. Yes, this is not a quiz. Quiz will start at 1:35. Next, epithelial tissue. It is correct. 4 types. We'll study one by one. Okay, yes, so we will start with the epithelial tissues. What are epithelial tissues, guys? What are epithelial tissues that we will discuss? They are like a gift wrapping. They are like a gift wrapping. Ma'am, what do you understand by gift wrapping? Gift wrapping in the sense, just a single layer all over the organism, right? And it is covering the whole organism. And if it is the first layer, so obviously it is going to be my first layer of defense, and that will be acting as a protective tissue. Clear? Yes. And then, ma'am, do they also have types? Yes, they do also have types. So epithelial tissues are 4 types. Squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal, and stratified. Yes, and we will look at them one by one, and you will never forget their names also. I promise. Let's look at that. Squamous epithelial tissue. Man, this spelling, this name is so difficult to pronounce. You know what exactly is squamous? Have you ever known about it? Squamous actually comes from a word called as squama. Yes, you know what is squama, guys? Anyone knows what is squama? I'm going to take quiz on the tissues chapter. Hi, Muskan Mishra. Hi, Siddharth Ehlawat. Okay, anyone knows? Squama is actually this snake skin. Have you seen snake skin? Yes. And you see the snake sheds of his skin, right? And the cell structure is so similar to that we find in the epithelial tissue of squamous. Absolutely correct. And that is why we name it as squamous epithelial tissue with the function of covering and protecting the animal body. Absolutely correct. So now if you see very clearly, they are very thin structures, right? And it is a very delicate lining. So where do I find it, man? If it is so thin, very delicate, where do I find it? I find it inside the esophagus and the inner lining of my mouth and the inner lining of my mouth. Understood? Yes, so it protects the skin from the outside. So ma'am, you're saying ki our skin is made of squamous epithelial? Exactly correct. But there's a little twist to it. Our skin, our outer layer of skin is made up of stratified squamous epithelial tissue. And what is stratified now? Stratified means how we have stacks of pancakes, how mama makes lots of rotis and she stacks upon one after the other, right? So this stacking is nothing but stratification, right? Yes, so one layer of squamous epithelial tissue we don't have. We have many layers of squamous epithelial tissue, and that is what we call as stratified squamous epithelial tissue. Understood? Yes, so we have many layers of stratified squamous epithelial tissue which is protecting us from everything on the outside. Clear? Yes. And why so many layers, ma'am? Because I am damn sure you have fallen at least once in a lifetime from your cycle while you were running on the ground. Yes, and we get a nice bruise, we get a nice cut. But do we see our inner organs? Do we do that? No. Why? Because the skin is there for wear and tear. It protects us. It is there to protect from any wearing and tearing. Understood? Hi, Jarupla. Yes, I remember you. Moving on to columnar epithelial tissues. Columnar, as the name suggests, the structure is so big and so column-like, right? So you will have nice big cell with a column-like structure. Over here, the nucleus will be at the base of the cell. If you see the squamous, tissue, you will see the nucleus is at the center. But whereas in the columnar epithelial tissue, you'll see the nucleus is always at the base of the cell. Clear? So, ma'am, where do I find them? Wherever the body needs to function. The function of absorbing or secretion, that is where you will find the columnar epithelium tissue. Understood? Yes, ma'am. Where is that? That is in your intestines. Absolutely correct. Clear? Yes. Then we move on to columnar epithelial tissue with a twist. What do you mean with a twist? I mean these columnar epithelial tissues sometimes have the presence of cilia. What are cilia, man? Small hair-like structures. Which are present on top of the cell. It's called as cilia. Clear? Yes, can you see small hair-like structures which are growing over here? Absolutely correct. So, ma'am, where are they? Where are they present? Yes, so these are present in the respiratory tract. Why in the respiratory tract, ma'am? Because have you ever seen your nose? Have you ever upturned your nose and seen that there are some hairs inside your nose? Yes. Do you know why hairs are there inside your nose, guys? To protect, to catch all of the dust particles, the microorganisms that are trying to enter your respiratory tract, right? Yes. But will this be enough? Will this be enough? No. So even over here in the respiratory tract, what do we have? We have cilia, small hair-like structures. And why are they present? Again, to trap the dust particles and the microorganisms which slip and they are just trying to enter our lungs. But our ciliated columnar epithelium tissue is like, no, 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 I'm there to protect you. I am going to protect you. Understood? Yes. So the cilia, it can move, and this is how it is clearing your respiratory tract. Understood? Yes, so it is called as ciliated columnar epithelial tissues. Next, we are moving to cuboidal, and as the name suggests, the structure is same to same. You don't need to give too much of your brain a lot of difficulties in remembering it, right? It totally looks like a cube. So where is cuboidal epithelium found? Cuboidal epithelium is found in your kidney tubules, in your salivary glands. Why, ma'am? Why? Because this is a perfect example, perfect epithelial tissue to give support. And hence it is found in the inner linings of the kidney tubules and the ducts of the salivary gland. You need to remember these examples. Renu Kumari. Hi Renu Kumari. This lecture is in English, and if you don't understand, you can ask me in Hindi, but mostly the lecture will be in English. Next is glandular epithelial tissue. Ma'am, I have heard about the term glands, but what is glandular epithelial tissue? Yeah, I'm hearing it for the first time. Don't worry, I'm here for you. So what are glands, guys? Do you remember? What are glands? I give you 5 seconds to answer me in the live chat section. What are glands? 5. Hi Kushi Gupta. Hi Suman. The Mentee Quiz is later on. 5, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, beautiful people? Okay, so the glands are structures which either secrete or excrete. They secrete or excrete. What, ma'am? What? So we see, I am sitting without a fan. What is happening to me? I am sweating, right? So how is this happening? This is happening because of the sweat glands which are present underneath my skin, right? Yes, so these glands are responsible for secreting some things inside my body. Clear? Yes, absolutely correct. Very good. Glands. Very nice. Very nice. So these columnar epithelial tissue, there's a little twist that happens. What is this twist, ma'am? So, in columnar, I had a plain surface, right? But now I don't have a plain surface. I get a depression, yes, and then it forms a pouch-like structure, and then it forms one cell. Absolutely correct. And this pouch-like structure helps in the formation of any enzymes, any secretions that I need, and then from here, I will get the secretions. Understood? Yes, that is how your glands function. Good afternoon, Aparajita. Absolutely correct. So the glandular epithelial tissue is everywhere that requires secretion. If you require oil, see on our skin we have oil glands, we have sweat glands, and that is why our skin feels oily after some time, right? And if I'm sitting without a fan, obviously I'm going to feel the sweat. Why? Because there are glands which are excreting this out of my body. Clear? Yes. Moving on to another connective tissue. So we have completed the epithelial tissue. Yes, the first part. Now we are moving on to the connective tissue. Hi Future Club, good afternoon. So for the connective tissue, how many types do we have, ma'am? We have 6 types of connective tissue. That is right, 6 types. Let's do them one by one very quickly, right? Yes, let's begin. Very good afternoon, Nancy Bacha. Okay, so the connective tissues I have are blood, bone, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and areolar and adipose tissue. Absolutely correct. As you know, it's just saying connective. मतलब क्या कुछ तो connection. It does some connection, some between some people, between some organs. Let's see who it is. First, we'll be talking about blood. Absolutely correct, ma'am. Blood and connective. How is that possible? Guys, there is only one thing that moves throughout our body, that is continuous throughout our body, and that is nothing blood. It goes from our brain to our toes. Is it or not? Yes. It helps in digestion. It takes our oxygen. It takes our waste material away. Yes, everything is done by blood. So blood is a fluid connective tissue. Absolutely correct. Hi guys. Hi Aprajita Barida. Hi. Why do we fall ill is tomorrow. Is tomorrow Future Club. Hi Manju Gupta, that is Madhav. Hi Madhav. Hello guys. So blood is composed of plasma, platelets, white blood cells and red blood cells. Absolutely correct. So the plasma has the presence of water, ions, proteins, nutrients, waste and gases. Whereas your white blood cells are the soldiers of your body. If any virus, if any bacteria which is not good for you, enters in your body, then who is the one who's going to kill it? That is none other than your white blood cells. Absolutely correct, you people. Yes, so the blood flows, it helps in the transportation of water, ions, proteins, nutrients, waste, gases, everything. Understood? Yup. Next is bone. Ma'am, bone and the connective tissue. Yes, the bone is the skeletal structure, right? You are looking how you look because we have a frame structure of bone. You poke yourself. Does it go all the way inside? No. Why? Because we have a skeletal structure which is made up of bone and which gives us the structure of how we look, right? Absolutely. Absolutely correct. Hi, Pankaj Jain. So, it provides us this framework. Yes, absolutely correct. Then it is also anchoring. It is also anchoring your body. Your lungs should be inside the ribs. Otherwise, they are very, very susceptible to injuries, right? Yes, so it anchors the muscle. It supports the main organs of the body. It is strong and non-flexible, right? You hit your bone, nothing happens or what? Anything happens or what? No, why? It is strong and it is not flexible. It is not like rubber. ऐसे खींचोगे तो ऐसा खींच जाएगा. बिल्कुल नहीं होता. So it is not flexible. The bone cells, the bone matrix is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds. Understood? So inside a bone, I have a bone matrix in which the bone cells are embedded. The bone cells are osteocytes and the matrix which we have is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds. Hi Aditi. Hi Arya Slok. Okay, so now in the mammals we have a new system, we have a good system of the bone, and that is called as the Haversian system. Absolutely correct. Over here you have a Haversian canal, right? Yes, this is a canal through which all the nerves, all the blood vessels come, and uske aaju if you see very clearly, you'll see all the bone cells and the matrix which is lining. Clear? Yes, this is just a diagram in your body. You don't need to remember it fully. Next is ligaments. What is ligament, ma'am? I have heard it. I have seen that many cricketers, many sports players, many footballers, they always complain, or anyone who goes to a gym and does excessive exercising, they say, ligament tear ho gaya. What is ligament tear, guys? But what is ligament? Ligament is a structure, a muscular structure which connects bone to bone. Understood? Yes. And whenever you have a ligament tear, you will see that your bones are a little displaced. Why? Because that is the one which is connecting two bones together. Clear? Now can you move your hand, guys? Can you move your hand easily? Yes. Aram say why? Because the tissue which is joining the two bones is very elastic and it has good amount of strength. Next is tendons. Ligament to padliya. Why tendons? Tendons is, do you see bodybuilders? They are like, yeah, dolle sholle. So ये जो dolle sholle हैं, what are they? They are muscles, right? And these muscles, I know when I touch, I feel my bone, right? Yes. So is everything just ek ke upar ek? No, I need to connect it. I need to glue it together. So the tendons are the glue, are the tissues which connect bones to the muscles. Absolutely correct. एकदम सही पकड़े हैं. And over here, it has little flexibility, guys. Understood? So if you're like too much exercising, there's chances that you are putting so much pressure on tendons, okay? Because they are with limited flexibility, but they have great amount of strength. Hi Piyush Gupta. Very good, Khushi Gupta. Very good. Next, cartilage. What is cartilage? Cartilage is bone. No. Bone. Can you bend your bone? No. But cartilage you can bend. You want to try? You want to try? Take your ears and take this structure. Yes, that C structure that you have, and just bend it. Can you do that? Can you fold your ear pinna? Absolutely correct. Why? Because it is made up of cartilage. Yes. So cartilage has a solid matrix of proteins and sugars. But as it is very little flexible, yes, little soft, so it is there to smoothen out these surfaces. If you see over here, I have two bones coming in, right? Yes, अगर मैंने उनको मस्त एक smooth layer नहीं चढ़ाया, so they will be attacking each other. There will be some scratches here and there. So I need to prevent that, and I add a nice smooth layer of cartilage. Understood? So they are there to smoothen my bone surfaces at the joints. They are present on my nose over here. Yes, they are present in the ear, the trachea and the larynx. Okay? Yes, absolutely correct. Hi Mandita Sharma. Hi Bacha. Next we have another connective tissue, that is areolar tissue. Absolutely correct. Now, have you ever imagined I have my stomach, which is ittu chintusa. I have my kidneys, chintu chintus. I have my lungs, which are quite big. But I would have space between them, right? So who is going to fill? Because when I touch my body, I do not feel a liver. Do you? No. Why? Because all the spaces are filled up. They are filled up with a special type of connective tissue that is called as areolar. So areolar connective tissue is present between the skin and the muscles, around the blood vessels, around the nerves, and it is also filling up the space inside the organs, and it is supporting the internal organs. Clear? Yes, and it also helps in repair. It's like stomach. Are you injured? And stomach is like, yes. Areolar, I am at your service, stomach. I will fix you up. Hi, Siddhu Sudhar. Next is adipose tissue. We all are sitting at home. We are eating our heart out. Pakoras, pizzas, burgers, everything we are making at home, isn't it? Yes, and we are not exercising. We are not moving an inch also. So what is going to happen? I am growing fat and fat, guys. That is true. But when I'm growing fat and fat, I am getting more fat inside my body. So where is this fat getting stored? Where is it going? It is going in the adipose tissue, which are specially made to store fat. Understood? Yes, so they are filled with fat globules, guys. So before going into muscular tissue, I will give you the Mentee code. Everyone has a Mentee code, guys? Or some of you are new, I guess. So we have the code as 8311831 is our Mentee code for today. This is our Mentee code for today, guys. Take a note of it. Okay, so next is muscular, and then we'll have nervous tissue, and then we are done, and then we will have the Mentee quiz. Okay, yes, diversity in living organisms we will do next month. Yes, so muscular tissues, guys. So muscles, right? Who doesn't like them? But do you know what they are made up of, how they are made up of, and what are the different types? Let's look at them. So we have striated muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Hi Kushi Gupta, we will have Mentee in 15 minutes. So first is striated muscles. Now what is striations, guys? What do you mean by striations? The light and the dark band. The light and the dark band. You see, this is a light band. This is a dark band. This is a light band. This is a dark band. This is a light band. This is a dark band, right? So I'm getting striations. I'm getting alternate light and dark bands, and that is why they are called as striated muscles. Okay, yes, striated muscles are nothing but someone who will work according to your will. Absolutely correct. If you have a smaller brother or a sister, and you're like, bring me a glass of water, and he will go and bring. Why? Because you asked for, because you are big. But if you say so to your mother or to your big brother or to your big sister, will you get it? Will you get it? No, they will not listen to you, right? Absolutely, guys. So the striated muscles in our body listen to you. Listen to whatever you say. I am telling my hand to move, and it is moving. Why? Why? Because it has which muscles? Voluntary muscles. What are voluntary muscles? Which work on your will. Understood? Yes? Absolutely correct. Then what, ma'am? They are attached throughout your body to the bones, so your body can move. Absolutely correct. And how do they look to you? How do they look to you? They are cylindrical? Yes. Is there any cell? Do you see one cell, one nucleus? No. I see many nucleus in one cylindrical structure, so they are multinucleated. Do you see any branching? No, ma'am, there are no branches. So what are they? They are unbranched. So they are long, they are cylindrical, yes, they are unbranched and multinucleated, you beautiful people. That is it. Moving on to smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are opposite of the striated muscles. They are very smooth. They are spindle shaped. In the sense what? They are tapering at the ends. They are tapering at the ends, right? Yes. They have only one nucleus at the center of the cell, and they are involuntary muscles. They are involuntary muscles. Matlab kya? They work on their own time and place. They will not follow whatever you are saying. Clear? Yes, so that is involuntary muscles. Next we have same smooth muscles. Where are they present, ma'am? Where are they present? They are present at the iris of your eyes. They are present in the bronchi of your lungs and also the ureters. Do you know where ureters are? Can you tell me where ureters are, guys? Let me know ASAP in the live chat section. Yes, Mentee. We will have Mentee, guys, in 10 minutes. Next, cardiac muscles. What is cardiac? Cardiac is your heart, right? We say people have gone into cardiac arrest, matlab heart attack. But that is not what we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss what my heart is made up of. My heart is made up of cardiac muscles. Now, they are a mixture of both. They have properties of my voluntary muscles and properties of involuntary muscles. What do you mean, ma'am? So, if you see they are long, yes, they are cylindrical, absolutely correct. And if you see, they have one cell which consists of only one nucleus. So they are not multinucleate like striated muscles, but they are uninucleate. Absolutely correct. And what? They are involuntary. They are involuntary. Have you ever heard yourself saying, heart, stop, heart, start, heart, stop? Do you say? Do you say like you're saying to Alexa, Alexa, make my heart stop. Alexa, make my heart beat once again. Do you do that? No, the heart is not functioning on your will. So it is made up of involuntary muscles. Okay, they are rhythmically contracting and relaxing. Contracting and relaxing. Understood? Yes. Your heart muscles are working from the day you were born till the day you die, tirelessly. Hi. I don't know if you understand this or not, but yeah, it's a nice meme. I'm here. Okay, next and the last one, that is the nervous tissue. Now everybody's like, Mentee, Mentee, Mentee. How can I see that? How am I getting to know, oh, my students want a Mentee quiz, so I can look at it. My brain, it's registering it, right? Yes, absolutely correct. But now, you're not watching the lecture. You're just chilling around. And achanak say, your mama comes from behind and she's like, what are you doing? Right? And she pokes you. Will you feel the poke that she does to you? Yes, absolutely. Why? Because it is all caught in the nervous tissue. And what is the nervous tissue made up of, guys? It is made up of the nerves. And the nerves are highly specialized structures that transmit stimulus. Matlab anything that is happening in your surrounding is understood by you, is felt by you. Why? Because your nerves are playing a big role. So where are the nerves found, ma'am? There is a nervous system that we have. It starts in the brain, then goes into the spinal cord. Yes. And from here it goes throughout the whole body, as you can see in this diagram. Clear? Yes, absolutely clear. Cells of this tissue are called as nerve cells or neurons. This is how a neuron looks. It almost looks like a tree. A tree with roots and a nice branched canopy. Yes, and the middle part is the stem. So the stem over here is the axon. Absolutely correct. The below roots are nothing but the axon terminals. And I have the canopy that is made up of branch-like structures which are called as dendrites. Clear? Now, as I told you, neuron is a cell, so it is supposed to also have a nucleus. Ekdam sahi pakde. So in the middle, I have a nucleus. Clear? Yes. So I have a cell body which has dendrites, which are branch-like structures. Below that, I have a nice axon which terminates into axon terminal. Clear, everybody? Yes. And that is the person who does all of your nervous control. So are you guys ready for some Mentee? I know you damn are. 8311831 is our Mentee code for today. Has everyone joined, guys? If you have joined, please say yes in the chat section. Have you joined the Mentee quiz? Yes. Have you joined the Mentee quiz, my beautiful people? 8311831. Join the Mentee quiz, kiddos. The code is 8311831. I'll wait for 30 seconds more. 8311831, bacha party. Okay, let's move on. Should we move on? Are you guys coming to the Mentee quiz? The code is 8311831. Yes. Yes. Shubham, come on, fast. Yes. Okay. Let's move on to the first question for the day. Look at your phone, guys. Hello everybody, if you are here to solve the quiz, you can join us on Mentee.com. This is the first question for the day. Yes, absolutely correct. You can join us and the code is 8311831. And oh my god, oh, sorry, 10 people of you answered it. Absolutely correct, absolutely correct. Let's move on to the next question. It's a very rapid question which you have to answer in just 15 seconds, and you did it. Very good. 7 of you have given me the absolute right answer. And let's see the leaderboard. Hi Tanima. Arre. And then we have Sneha Samarth, Soumya Ojha, wow, Zaveria, Vivek, Aditi, Kushi, and Janvi, and Anjali. Congratulations, people. Congratulations. Fastest was Tanima and Sneha. What a competition. Moving on to the next question. Look at your phone. Look at your phone. Yes. Permanent tissue takes a fixed shape, size, and function after its formation. So we call them what? Yesterday we did this. All the people who are watching us on YouTube, you can join by going to Mentee.com and using the code 8311831. Let's see the leaderboard. Let's see. Who do you think? Oh, Tanima, you missed it. And we have Sneha, Soumya, Ojha, Samad, Zaveria, Vivek, Tanima, Kushi Gupta, Anjali, Janvi, and Aditi. Let's move on to the next question. Look at your phone, guys. Yes, lignified thick cell wall with no cytoplasmic space in a cell is a characteristic of dash. Let's see. Very easy peasy lemon squeezy question. Anyone who's watching on YouTube, you can give the answers on the live chat section, or you can just join us directly on Mentee.com. Wow, 8 people of you gave me the right answer. Let's see the leaderboard. And do you believe in so we have Sneha, Soumya, Samarth, Zaveria, Anjali, Vivek, Aditi, Tanima, Nena, you were the fastest. Wow, congratulations. And then we have Kushi Gupta. Hi Kushi. Next question on the screen. Hi Vineet Yadav, you can join us on Mentee.com using the code 8311831. How many guard cells surround a stoma? The most easiest question till now. Yes. Come on. Yes, very good. Out of 15 people, 12 people have absolutely answered it right. And let's see. Amazing, you people. Amazing. And there are some change in positions, and we have Sneha. Soumya was the fastest. Amazing. Soumya followed by Samarth, Zaveria, Anjali, Aditi, Vivek, Tanima, Nena, and Piyush Gupta. Hi, Seth. Seth, you can join us on Mentee.com. I am absolutely fine. Very good, Vineet. Very good. Phloem and xylem are what? Let's look at the options. 14th place. Very good, Vineet. Very good. Guys, everyone who's watching us on YouTube, you can join the quiz by going on to mentee.com and putting in the code as 8311831. Let's see. Last 8 seconds to go. 16 people have already answered and 10 people of you gave me the right answer. Congratulations, buddies. Hi, Khushbu. Khushbu, you can join us on mentee.com using the code 8311831. I am joining. Fine, Saif. I am waiting. So let's see. We have Sneha, Samarth, Somya, Oja, Aditi, Anjali, Vivek, Zaveria, Naina, Tanama, and Kushi Gupta. And the fastest for this question was none other than Aditi. Kabhi kabhi Aditi mein. Seventh question on the screen. A tissue is what? Read the options very carefully, guys. Last 15 seconds to go. And 15 people have answered it right out of the 16 people present. I am super proud of you. Okay, just be very nice. Let's see. Do you think? Oh, so we have Sneha, Samat, Soumya, Aditi, Vivek, Anjali, Zaveria, Naina, Tanima, and Khushi Gupta. And the fastest for this question again was Soumya Oja. A shout out to Soumya Oja. Let's see the next question. That is the 8th question on the screen. Ye raha. Vineet, answer fast, bacha. Wrinkling in old age is due to what? It's a difficult question, I agree, but if you think hard about it and if you have attended earlier lectures of mine, you will know the answer. 15 seconds to go. Yes. Yes, everybody, last 4 seconds and I think everyone has voted. And 5 people have you amazingly to come out, right? Or did you know the answer already, guys? Let me know in the live chat. Yes, and let's see the leaderboard. This could be a game changer question. Don't you agree? Yes, it is. And turn out. So I have Sneha, Soumya, Samarth, Aditi, Vivek, Anjali, Zaveria, Naina, Tanima, and Khushi Gupta. And again, Soumya Oja was the fastest. Let's move on to the next question. 9th question for today. Hi, Akshara Gupta. Look at your phone, guys. Look at your phone. The blood is composed of RBCs, WBCs, platelets, and plasmas. So what is the lifespan of RBCs? Yes. Very easy peasy lemon squeezy question. 13 of you have answered it absolutely correct. Let's see the leaderboard. And yup. Very good. So we have Sneha, Soumya, Oja, Samarth, Aditi, Vivek, Anjali, Zaveria, Pana Ma'am's fan Tanima. Thank you so much, Tanima Bacha. Then we have Naina and Piyush Gupta. Hi, Piyush Gupta. Welcome to the leaderboard. And amazing, Soumya Oja, you were fastest again. Very good, Vineet. Very good. Not phone. Oh, wow. 10th question for today. Striated muscles are found where? Where? Any idea? Do you have any idea, beautiful people? guys, striated muscles are what? Striated muscles are voluntary muscles, right? Yes. Gallbladder, is it voluntary? Do you tell your gallbladder, go and function? No. Do you tell your bronchi to do that? No. Do you tell your lungs to breathe for you? No, they just do it automatically. So only one thing which is voluntary over here are your leg muscles. If you tell your leg, I want to walk, it will walk, right? Yes. That is absolutely correct. 3 people of you only gave me the right answer. Let's look at the leaderboard. And who are these 3 people? Very good. It is Sneha, Aditi and Tanima. Very nice. And this could give them some leverage. That is absolutely correct. So we have Sneha, Aditi, Soumya, Samar, Tanima, Vivek, Anjali, Zaveria, and then we have Naina and Piyush Gupta. Yes, very good, Shubham Raj. That is the absolutely right answer. Next question on the screen. Miss कर दिया. So we need जी जाइए Mentee पर जाइए. Supportive epithelial cells that line kidney tubules and salivary ducts are. It's an easy question if you remember. Seth, okay, I'm waiting for you, Seth, on Mentee. Guys, don't forget this is a YouTube live session. So if you're joining in, don't forget to like the video, share the video if you like it, and also subscribe to the channel. Let's see. Only 4 of you have answered it correct, guys. Cuboidal. They have been giving support. They are present in the inner linings of the kidney tubules and salivary ducts. Oh. Let's look at the leaderboard. Misclick. Okay, no problem, Shubham ji. No problem. And yes, so we have Sneha, Soumya, Aditi, Samarth, Tanima, Vivek, Anjali, Zaviya, Khushi and Naina. Kya baat hai. Let's move on to the next question. The 12th question for today. Yes. You have to answer really fast, guys, if you need to come on the top 10. Which animal tissue helps in repair of tissue and fills the space inside the organs? I'm damn sure many of you know the answer already, but let's see how many. Okay. 9 people have answered it absolutely correct. Let's see who they are. And Sneha, Aditi, Samarth, Tanima, Zaveria, Khushi and Naina have answered it perfectly correct. And this changes their position. So we have Sneha on the top, followed by Aditi, Soumya, Samarth, Tanima, Vivek, Zaveria, Anjali, Khushi and Naina. Fastest for this question was none other than Aditi. Kabhi kabhi Aditi mein. Next question on the screen. 13th question for today. Yeah. Guys, whoever has joined us right now, you can join us on mentee.com using the code 8311831. How are oxygen, food, hormones and waste material transported in the body? Yes. Oh, amazing, intelligent people. Amazing. So I have the leaderboard. Let's see. Hi, Samar Chende. Hello. Oh my God. I have Sneha, Aditi, Soumya Oja, Bhavana ma'am's fan Tanima. Then we have Zaveria, Vivek Singh, Anjali, Naina and Khushi Gupta. Hi beautiful people. And the fastest answer to this question was given by none other than the first ranker, that is Sneha. Let's move on. Whoever is joining us right now, you can join us on mentee.com using the code 8311831. Look at your phone. Look at your phone. It's a very easy question, but a confusing one. And let me see who answers it correct. Yes. "15 seconds. That is amazing. And 10 people of you, 10 out of 17 that we have joined us. Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Let's see the leaderboard. And oh wow, so we have Sneha, Aditi, Samat, Soumya, Oja, Vivek, Zaviria, Anjali, Nena, and Kushi Gupta. And the fastest in this question was Panamam's fan Tanima. Tanima, you are amazing. Very good, very good. Let's move on to the next question. Anyone who's just watching us from the outside, because we have 25 people who are live and only one more 18 people on the Mentee Quiz. Guys, you can come to mentee.com and use the code 8311831. Yes. Hi Aditya Pandey. Hello. Very good, Vineet. Very good. 11th place. That's nice. Cells of squamous epithelium are what? Yes, they are absolutely correct. 9 people have answered it. Absolutely correct, guys. They are not columnar. Otherwise, I will call them columnar epithelial tissue, right? Yes. They are elongated nuclei. No, they are cube-like. That is cuboidal, right? So they are flat plate-like structures. And let's see who they are. Who are the person that gave me the right answer? Yes, 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 yes. Do you think there's going to be a major change? Let's see. Oh, only one. So we have Sneha, Aditi, Tanama, Samarth, Soumya, Zaveria, Vivek Singh, Anjali, Naina, and Kushi Gupta. And Soumya Ojha, a shout out to you because you were the fastest in this question. Amazing, you guys. Aditya Pandey ji, kya baat hai? Kya baat hai? Let's move on to the next question. The second last question for today. Let's see, let's see, let's see. The solid matrix of cartilage is composed of dash and dash. Might be a tricky one, but thoda sa dimag and you'll accept. Thoda sa logic, guys. Yup, yup, yup. Hi, Shivam Kumar Chaube ji. That was tough. That was tough. People were confused between cellulose and sugar. And protein and sugar, guys, cellulose is found in plants, right? And we are talking about cartilage. Cartilage is present in human beings, animals. How will they have cellulose? So the correct answer is proteins and sugars. 8 people have answered it absolutely correctly. Let's look at the leaderboard. Let's look at the leaderboard. Hi, Aradhna. Artist Garena, I will answer the question to you. What is the difference between cytoplasm and protoplasm? Don't worry. So, this is huge shift. So, we have Sneha on the first position, followed by Tanama, followed by Samarth, Aditi, Soumya, Zaveria, Vivek, Naina, Anjali, and Kushi Gupta. And a shout out to you, Zaveria. You were the fastest in answering this question. Congratulations. Let's move on to the next question. Yes, artist Garena, I will answer your question. The last question for the day. Are you guys ready? Yes. Let's see the question. Lining of small intestine. Oh, there was a lot of confusion between squamous epithelium And cuboidal. Why, guys? Squamous is flat, right? Yes, and we all know small intestine has secretion, absorption that is taking place, right? Yes, because the food is completely digested in the small intestine. And the correct answer is columnar epithelium tissue. That is absolutely, absolutely correct. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Sneha, wow, congratulations, Sneha. The second position is obtained by Bhavana's fan Tanima. Congratulations, Tanima. Congratulations, Samarth. Then we have Aditi, Soumya Oja, Zaveya, Vivek Singh, Anjali, Naina, and Khushi Gupta. And a special shout out for this question to Anjali, who gave the answer the fastest. And congratulations, Sneha. You played. You did very, very well, guys. And anyone who did not come on the top 10, no worries. It's all right. We just got to know that you need to revise a little more. Yes? And let's do that. If you have any questions, guys, you can ask me now on the live chat section. Okay, so I have a doubt which is received to me by artist Garena. Artist Garena ji has asked me what is the difference between protoplasm and cytoplasm? Protoplasm and cytoplasm. Okay, so let's draw a cell first. Okay, this is my cell. Okay, beautiful people. Yes. So now this cell consists of a nucleus. Yes, ma'am. This is my plasma membrane. Yes, ma'am. I also know there's a fluid structure. Which is doing what? Which is just lying around, and on that I have all the cell organelles. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So what is cytoplasm? What is protoplasm, guys? What is it? My name is Khushi Gupta. Oh, Suman is Khushi Gupta. Kya baat hai? So, your protoplasm is everything. Your protoplasm is all the material, all the living material which is there in the cell, which includes cytoplasm, which includes nucleoplasm, and the fluid which is present inside the other organelles also. Understood? Yes, absolutely correct. So what is cytoplasm, ma'am? Cytoplasm is protoplasm. It is protoplasm which is minus the nucleoplasm and other organelles fluid structures. Understood? Yes, so it is protoplasm minus nucleoplasm plus other cell organelles fluid. All the mitochondria or all the chloroplasts are also having some fluid structure. They also have matrix, right? Absolutely, guys. So what is the protoplasm? All the fluid structure which comprises of everything, the cell organelles, the nucleus, the other cell organelles which have their own matrix. So everything's come under protoplasm. Then what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a part of protoplasm. But if I want to like minus it out, so it will be what? It will be protoplasm minus nucleoplasm and the matrix which is present inside the cell organelles. Okay, everybody, is it clear, artist G? Yes. Yes, so it is the fluid structure which is present. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow. Where we will be doing the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? Okay, yes, there will be a mentee tomorrow. There will be a quiz tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow, guys, with the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Don't forget to like the video because this is a YouTube live session, and I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Okay, stay at home, take care of yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Yes, it is essential. Bye bye.